Alright, hey guys, Doris here. So these are some of the paper shells that I had loaded. Like I said, you see you got both kinds. The ones that are loaded with the steel shot, and then the rest that are loaded with double aught buck. These are 100% scratch made from the ground up. Today we're going to go ahead and shoot these off, see how they fire. We're going to start off with the steel shot first. Actually, you know what? We're starting off with that one first. We're going to have to load these first. So I'm just going to shoot off one of the steel shot here. And got it loaded in a Mossberg 500 Persuader Police Tactical Edition. We're going to go ahead and shoot at this target here. That target's, I'm going to say, probably about 7 yards away. Alright. We're going to make our predictions, see how well these shells hold up after being shot. I'm going to make a prediction myself. The ends of these shells could be shredded beyond the point of me being able to reload them. Or either that, or the ends of them are just going to be slightly shredded to where I'm going to have to cut the shell down in order to reload it. Let's go ahead and see what happens. Steel shot. Alright, buckshot. I'm actually surprised. These are really low recoil. Go ahead and get a... Yeah, see? I might be able to reload that. I'd have to cut it down. Yeah, it's a little shredded too. That one actually I might be able to reload. Alright. That's a buckshot round. As you can see, they fire up, but man, they don't hold up. But as you can tell, if needs be, push came to shove, shit hits the fan, you actually had to scratch make your own shotgun shells. It can be done. Just, I can't guarantee whether or not you'll be able to reload them. Alright, so good. Here are the official results of the shells after initial test fires. I was supposed to have a second clip of the second set of shells being fired off, but for some reason the camera on my phone completely goofed up, so we never got that footage. We only got the footage of me firing these. So to be clear here, the shells on the far left here, those have not been fired. This one on the far left right here actually hasn't even been loaded and doesn't have a primer in it. I've left it in its original condition after first initially creating it. I left this one alone. This is the only remaining double buckshot. That's the only one I haven't fired yet. Two back here were those are the steel shot loads. Those are made out of crafting paper. The ones over here up front, all of these are made out of newspaper. And upon further and much closer examination, I have come to the conclusion that maybe with the exception of the two shells in the far back row over there, not one single one of these newspaper shells actually survived. Like, you see that? That one's got a hole in the side of the shotgun shell hull. There's no way I'm going to be able to repair that, and even if I could, I doubt it would survive the next shot, the next reload and the next firing. This one, I thought I was going to be able to, this is another one I thought I was going to be able to reload, but again, upon the closer examination, that one's also got a hole in the side of it.
And yeah, the rest of those, man, they all blew apart. It's funny, this last one, man. This last one acted like as if it were actually these last two acted as if it were cut shells, man. Like the whole shell just blew off. It's yeah. I'm not gonna say that these were a waste of time. I mean, they were fun to build, and I just wanted to do it. Just pure curiosity. I just wanted to see whether or not it was possible to build a working set of shotgun shells and actually test them out. Obviously, the newspaper are going to be they're going to be one use only. These ones back here, like I said, these are made out of not crafting paper, out of sketch paper. They held up a lot better. I mean, they still got pretty tore up. This one especially, missing a big old chunk, so I'll have to cut that one down if I plan on reloading that one. This one's got a couple minor tears in the top, and a little tiny chunk tore out. I might be able to reload this without having to really do hardly anything in terms of cutting it down. So, but yep, there you go. That's the results. Well, I'm Dioris, and I'm out. You guys have yourselves a good one. Bye-bye. So, sorry, I want to make a final correction here. So I made the statement that I'd be able to reload these again, and upon further inspection on these shells, I've found that these are not going to be able to be reloaded, because these are cracked down the middle. And I'm trying to flex my finger inside of there, but kind of see it spreads apart. Yeah, this thing is completely compromised, and this one's probably in worse shape. Like, that is definitely a split running from the base towards the top. So yeah, all in all the shells are going to have to be completely rebuilt from scratch again if I want to do more paper shells. All right, well, that's all I have to say. I'm yours.
You'll
Bye-bye.
take my life, but I'll take yours too. You fire musket, but I'll run you through. So when you're waiting for the next attack, you better stand, there's no turning back. The mirror sounds